morning, kids! Today, our lesson in English is about describing one's drawing about the stories or poem lesson 2 using simple and compound sentences. And now, let me first show you some pictures. Can you describe this picture? Yes, the picture is yellow. How about this one? What can you say about this picture? Yes, the sun is bright. How about this one? What is the name of this picture? Yes, this is a crow. Okay, class. Now, I'm going to tell you a story entitled The Crow and the Pitcher.
On a hot summer day, a thirsty crow looked for water to drink. "It's hot, I'm thirsty," said the crow. "I need to find water." The crow flew from one place to another, looking for water to drink. And he finally found a pitcher near a well. But there was only little water in the pitcher. "My beak is too big. The pitcher's neck is very narrow. How will I get the water?" he thought. He tried to drink from the pitcher, but no matter how much he tried, he could not reach it. Then, an idea came to the crow. 1, 2, 3, plop, plip, plop. Little by little, the water rose in the pitcher. 4, 5, 6, plop, plip, plop. The water rose some more. Soon, the crow reaches the water. "And now I can drink," said the crow. "Ah, it's cold and good." And that's the end of the story. From the story you heard, answer the following question. Number 1. When did the story happen? The story happened on a hot summer day. How about number 2? Who wants to drink water? The one who wants to drink water is the crow. Number 3 is, why did the crow look for water? Yes, he is thirsty.
The highlight of this lesson is the use of simple and compound sentences. What is a simple sentence and what is a compound sentence? A simple sentence contains at least one independent clause. It also contains a subject, a verb, and expresses a complete thought. For example, the crow looked for water. Remember, in simple sentence, we have one subject and one verb. Okay, in this example, crow is our subject and our verb is look. Okay, did you get me? The compound sentence contains two independent clauses and it is linked or connected by coordinating conjunctions so, and, or, but, and, yet. For example, the dog barks, so we ran fast. In compound sentence, we have two independent clauses. And those sentences, our first independent clause is the dog barks. And the second independent clause is we ran fast. And those two independent clauses are linked or connected by coordinating conjunction so.
Let's apply what we learned from our topic. For activity 1, write as if the sentence is simple and see if it is a compound. Number 1, Ahmad plays in the garden. Number 2, Ryan passed the ball to his playmates. Number 3, Anna bakes a cake and she gives it to Aliyah. Number 4, they attend the party. Number 5, Ira read the book and Aima writes a story. For activity 2, draw your favorite pet. Use simple and compound sentences to describe your drawing. And for your another task, make your own sentence about the pictures. Use simple and compound sentences.
And that's the end of our lesson for today. Till next our meeting. Bye!